My name is Louis Gervais, and I am bringing a beautiful new workshop to the Body Electric School. Men Moving into Intimacy is a workshop in tantric moving meditations. We will ease our bodies into and out of ever-evolving, intimate living sculptures. And by moving and meditating on breath, touch, sound, and sensation, we will anchor ourselves effortlessly in present moment awareness. And when the whole room is focusing their attention on moving, breathing, and touching, and feeling along with you, a different consciousness emerges. A tantric field of interconnectedness opens up and feels so wonderful. It feels like we've arrived together in a state of peace and love and interconnection. And can't we all use some of that feeling right about now? And if you've ever struggled to meditate or to be fully present in your body, this workshop could be the breakthrough that you've been looking for. So join me and the Body Electric School for Men Moving into Intimacy, a workshop in tantric moving meditations. I hope to see you there.